In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this short math question easy and fast. Alright, so let's look at it together and see whether it's something the calculator can help us to solve faster. The question says, for a training program, Joan rides his bike at an average rate of 5.7 minutes per mile. Which function M models the number of minutes it will take Joan to ride X miles at this rate? Okay, so guys, for this question, this is simple proportional question. I don't think we need a calculator to solve this, so let's do it together. So to show this manually or represent it mathematically, you begin by saying if Joan rides his bike at an average rate of 5.7 minutes per mile, so at 5.7 minutes we have 1 mile. Okay, then it's asking us which function M models the number of minutes it will take Joan to ride X miles at this rate. So we don't know the number of minutes, let's call it X. We have X miles. Okay, so when you cross multiply, I'm going to have that M in brackets X miles equals 5.7 X. So the right function model, the right function model for this expression we have here is option D. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. We don't need anything to punch the calculator to figure this out. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. This is how I can represent this question mathematically. Okay, so let's get the video, guys. Hope it's not interesting. If you're new to the channel, you should subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. If you for what I learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, ensure part of the channel membership by clicking on the button and getting information how to solve other math questions in the meeting. Okay, so if you know this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.